It's about 8:30 in the morning. I am starving, which is pretty normal. Usually when I wake up, my stomach is growling, telling me go eat something, but I'm going to wash up real quick and probably eat some eggs and get on with my day. And this one has been working out just fine though. It makes my skin super glossy. This moisturizer, it's actually very unique. My husband found it for me. So sometimes I would break out or I have like a lot of clogged pores and redness on my face, and it helps relieve that instantly whenever I put it on. And I kind of use this as a moisturizer. I usually have eczema as well, so I put it on my spots. Eczema. So I'm in my closet right now. I'm going to pick an outfit for today. I usually go for something very convenient and comfortable to wear. I don't like, dressing up, especially if I'm not gonna go out today and it's kind of cloudy. Today I am gonna go to the gym after I make myself some eggs and smoothie. Let's go make some smoothie. Yogurt, spinach, blueberries. Trying to do this with one hand is not easy. Yogurt. The least amount of carbs I've actually found in any kind of yogurt so far, so I really like this one. This is what I use for the plant protein. 2 scoops of protein every day. Blueberries, I freeze them, so I have to come out grab a few. It's more like acidic or sour. Oh. As you guys probably have figured it out, yes, we have been trying for a baby, and so I just thought it would be a great idea to get a head start on this book because it is a lot of information and it is pretty overwhelming. And I heard that, when it happens, boom, like time flies and there's just so much you have to know. Obviously, I am new to all of this, so I can't give any professional advice, but I do want to share with you guys just the journey of going through, trying to catch my breath here. Just having to go through this entire pregnancy journey has been pretty crazy. I did have a miscarriage last year, and I will talk more about it in my other videos, but I'm just gonna read and probably hit the shower afterwards and cook some more food. I'm watching the part where the CEO or like the bad guy is asking the girl, one of the girl main characters, I forgot her name, but he's trying to see like which side she's loyal to. Is it Changa or to Heroi? And I kind of feel for this girl because she's like, she grew up, you know, with not a lot of resources. This company is kind of like corrupt, but it's huge, so it's very tempting to grab on to all the opportunities that you have, you know, to climb up the corporate ladder, but at the same time you are tapping into like the world of corruption. If you guys haven't watched Itaewon, you guys have to watch it because it's so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash the dishes right now and clean up the place a little bit. Down. So nice that it's clean. And sometimes what I would do is get like vinegar and spray it like all over the room just to make it more shiny. Guys ever feel like you're always cleaning? We're trying so hard to be minimalists and getting rid of the stuff that we don't use, but it's still hard. You have to like make time to get rid of those things. You have to make time to go through all the stuff, like your clothes, the books, the piles of papers that's been, you know, stacking up on the living room table, and you have to go through all of it to throw it away or donate it and make time to do that. And it's honestly really hard, even for people who aren't working 40 hours. I feel like it's hard to balance sometimes. But let me know what you guys think. If you guys have a lot of time to clean, especially if you have kids, I'm pretty sure it's really hard to clean, or Even buying groceries is work, and it's gotta be integrated into your schedule as well. So let me know what you guys think, what helps you guys balance work life, and I'll probably get some groceries in a little bit. It's pretty cold right now. I think it's gonna rain soon, either tonight or tomorrow. But we'll see. So satisfying. Wow, it's so loud. It's like a thunderstorm. So clean. Hey guys, so I couldn't go get groceries today, unfortunately, because I had a surprise random ant attack in my car, and I was like freaking out because never happened to me, and I was like, where are all these ants coming from? I thought that just happens in your home, but obviously it doesn't. So I went to the car wash, and they had like a free or it was part of the package, but it was had the car wash, and inside you could get your self-service vacuum. And so I did that, and the ants disappeared. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I am going through some difficulty breathing and feeling fatigued and constipated. I don't know if I'm pregnant or not. I will let you guys know in the next upcoming videos, so follow for more content, and I'll see you next time. Bye. They solid and hot?
It's hot.
Oh, thank you, love. You're the best.